Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the world's famous Repetition Diner.
Today's appetizer is an incline bench dumbbell row. The repetition range is 15. You will increase your weight 10 pounds per set and perform 15 reps all the way up the rack as far as you can go. If you can run the whole rack, then run the whole rack. So you're going to continue this until you cannot get 15 reps. And when you cannot get 15 reps, move on to the main course. If you can run the whole rack, then run the whole rack. The repetition range is 15. Alright, be sure to exhale on your way up as you pull. Keep your core nice and tight, your back flat. The one thing you don't want to do is have your back rounded even though you're laying. So keep your core tight, flatten that back out. Repetition range is 1-5. Exhale, pull up, squeeze your shoulder blades together in the back. The repetition range is 15. You will take a 90-second rest. Increase your weight 10 pounds per set. And run the whole rack if you can perform the whole rack. So repeat this until you cannot get 15 reps, then move on to your main course. I'll see you in a minute. Stay home.
Who's hungry? Let's eat. Who's hungry? Let's eat.
The first part of your main course is a seated cable row. Be sure to increase your weight each and every set. All right, increase your weight at least 2 stacks per set. The repetition range is 50, and you will run 50 down to 10. So your repetition range is 1 set of 50, 1 set of 40, 1 set of 30, 1 set of 20, 1 set of 10. Alright, be sure to keep your chest up, your back flat, core nice and tight. Alright, chest up, repetition range is 5-0, shoulder blades together in the back. Exhale, pull. Do not lean back to counter the weight. Alright, chest up nice and tight, back flat, repetition range is 50. Alright, you will take a 90-second rest, increase your weight, perform a set of 40, a set of 30, a set of 20, a set of 10, and I'll see you in the next part of your meal. Stay hungry.
Who's hungry? Super Set King! Ah. Ah. Let's move that weight. Let's go, let's go, let's go. They hungry, chef. Woo-wee. Let's get them. They call you the Super Set.
Moving on to the next part of the day's meal, which is a single arm lat pull down. You can use a push pin machine with a machine like this one, which is the Matrix, or you can use a cable attachment. If you use the machine with this push pin with a cable attachment, where you put the pulley on and off, then you can use a single cable attachment. All right, the repetition range is 15, 15, 12, 10. All right, 15, 15, 12, 10. Increase your weight each and every set. This is a single arm. All right, on a single arm lat pull down, be sure to still keep your shoulders aligned. Do not lean your body to counter the weight and do your pull. Stay up square so your shoulders are still aligned. Exhale, pull down to ear level. The repetition range is 15. Perform 15 on each side. Take your 90-second rest. Move on to your next set. So the repetition range is 15, 15, 12, 10. Increase your weight each and every set. This is single arm. I'll see you in the next part of the meal. Stay home.
Let's eat. Who's hungry? Super Set King! Ah. Ah. Let's move that weight. Let's go. Let's go.
On to the next part of your meal, which will be 10 pull-ups. Superset with a cable lat pull down. Repetition range is 20. So 10 pull-up, 20 lat pull down for a total of 3 sets. Alright, on your rope cable lat pull down, repetition range is 20. And 10 pull-ups, I demonstrate just a few. This is a superset. Alright, on your pull-ups, you perform 10 pull-ups. Be sure to go full range of motion, breathe out on your way up. You perform 10 pull-ups with no rest. You grab your cable, knees bent, butt back, nice and flat. Pull your cable wide. Repetition range is 2-0 on a cable lat pull down. Alright, so that's 10 pull up, 20 cable lat pull down. I'll see you in the next part of the meal. Stay home.
Who's hungry? Super Set King!
Alright, the last and final part of today's meal is your dessert, and that is knee in the V-sit. The repetition range is 15. Take a 90-second rest, repeat set 2 and 3. Your knee in the V-sit, we go out and up, down and in. Repetition range is 1-5. Take a 90-second rest. Repeat your set 2 and 3. I'll see you at your next meal. Stay healthy.